Hello trader, my name is Paul and you are on my YouTube channel for binary options trading. Here you will find the most private and profitable trading strategies for yourself. Friends, I hasten to inform you that you can find all private information in my Telegram group. You will find the link in the description under this video. Free access is valid for a limited time, so follow the link faster and register. Don't forget join my Telegram group with free signal. When topping up your account, use my promo code and you will receive an additional 50% bonus to your deposit. Subscribe, like and write the comment, it motivated me a lot. Well, now let's start our trading session. Hi my dear traders, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. I hope you have a Merry Christmas mood. Okay, right now let's start our trading session and choose the currency pair, better currency pair with the highest payout rate. I think these ones are gonna be enough, and let's choose our indicators. There's gonna be IDX, Fractal and Zigzag. The ADX is gonna help us determine a market's mood. I mean, what mood is on the chart. And when opening our traders, we're gonna look at the fractal and the zigzag and a little bit of technical analysis. Well, today we got $25 as the starting balance. We're gonna open positions on the 1 minute time frame, but also we're gonna put all the money in the trade amount, and we're not gonna slow down here and get down the trading. And let's find the highest rate. Also I wanted to change the color of the ADX. We're gonna put the green for the plus and the red for the minus, and keep it like this. That's gonna be more clear, I guess. And I think, yeah, there's nothing to interfere our trading. And let's go, guys. Let's analyze the market. I think a good trade entry is coming up here. So let's do this, and select the workspace. Look at the ADX. It's below 30 with is medium intensity trend, and here we see it's rise. This is a good signal because we opened the long position. Also here we see the touching of the support level. Here's the local lows updating. We can see that on the zigzag the updating is happening, and after the long lasting correction in this zone, I think the breakout is about to happen, and the position is gonna end up in the profits. We already see the breakout, and yeah, the price movement is near our trade entry, but there's nothing to be afraid of because the volatility has dropped a little bit, and yeah, the breakout is gaining momentum, and our first position has been closed in profits, guys. So let's look for a good trade entries, and as usual do the analysis. Here not here, like here we see touching of the support zone. That's why we open long position, and let's select the workspace for our analysis. Look at the ADX moving average in this zone 60. Yeah, this is a huge number. It tells us that the trend is about to reverse. Also there's touching of the support zone. The local low has been updated, and the ADX also went up because there's a strong correction from this level, and is definitely a good signal for opening a long position. So we already see a great breakout, exactly as I told you guys. There there are several seconds left before the closing, and yeah, our position is in profits again. No big deal, guys, no big deal, but it's easy for us. And let's change the trade amount and let's continue our trading. Okay, we look for a better pilot trade for maximum profit from a trade. Here in this zone we see a good correction, so we should open the short position here and select the workspace, and we understand that there's a downwards dynamic. The ADX is in the zone below 30 and 28 to be exact, and that tells us that here's a more of a downtrend, and the price minimum has been updated. The price did a pullback to the upside. The local high has been updated here. After this the price should continue going down. Yeah, here's the resistance zone. That's why we open the short position, guys. As you can see, the breakdown has already happened, the inception of the new candle here, and there are several seconds left before the ending of our position. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, our position is in profits, guys. Nice analysis, good trade entry. Put down $155 here in the trade amount, and this is all in again, and let's continue our trading. We also try to pick out the better pilot trade analysis a little bit, and here let's open a short position and select the workspace. We see that the moving averages are somewhere in the middle here. All of them are facing downwards now. Also the touching of the resistance level that happened here, and the local high has also been updated, and considering the downtrend after this pullback, the price should keep going down, guys, based on the dynamics of the price movement. And so the same thing happening here. Also we see the correction and the following downtrend, downward movement. There are several seconds left before the climax, and I guess we already see a confident breakdown. Meanwhile our position is in profits again. There's nothing complicated. We already got $287 on our balance, and there's not stopping here, guys. Let's carry on our trading session. But before we continue, I want to tell you guys that you see me trading, and most of my trade are in the profits, almost 85-90% of them, but it's not coincidence. You know, when I started out my trading, I lost a lot of my money, around $30,000, but I managed to achieve what I have, and now only try to sweeten blood. So I want to tell you, never give up, follow your dream, and follow my Telegram channel. And let's continue our trading and find another currency pair. Also be sure to find a good buy trade for optimal trade entry, like here. I think we should a long position. Select the workspace, pay attention to the ADX. The trend is in the middle. There's a crossing of the moving average from the top down. Here the support zone has been here the support zone has been touched, and the local low has been updated. There is also the double bottom pattern has formed the first touch here and the second one, and after the second touch the rebound it happened pretty standard situation. That's why we opened the long position according to the trend. And also early on we see that our trend was upward, and after this correction the position should be closed with a profit. So we're seeing the breakout already, and there's several seconds left before the ending, and our position has been closed in the profits. Let's change the trade amount and continue our trading and find another currency pair. Here let's open a long position. Oh, we should have opened it right now, but I think it's okay. The ADX is in this area around 50. That's a huge zone, that's why the swirls should happen. And we see the touching of the support zone, and in this zone double bottom pattern seems to be forming, and after this I think the price should go up again, and basically our position should be in profits again. The breakout is already happening, and there are literally 5 or 10 seconds left before the closing, and I can say with the confidence that our position should be in profits. Brilliant analysis again. Despite this low volatility, we in profits. Let's change the currency pair and find another trade entry. We're looking for the most profitable play or trade. So here's the touching of the support zone is happening. It's very likely that we open here. Theoretically the candle should go lower. Let's wait for the closing, and then we will see that. I think these dynamics will go lower. Well, no, we're not gonna open here, and let's see what else do we have, and what do we got here. Like, yeah, here, and open a short position here. Okay, select the workspace. First of all, I want to bring your attention to the ADX around 28. Trend dynamics is in the middle. In addition, this plus moving average is reversing, and the price started going down after this zone, and here we see the correction. The local high was updated, and after that I think the price should continue going down. That's why we confidently open the short position, and because we see the downward dynamics here, then the first good correction, and after that all we had to do was opening a short. And again our position is in profits, guys. There are almost $2,000 on my balance. Yeah, I think it's good money. Let's put down all my money in the trade amount, refresh the page, and carry on our trading. Find another currency pair. Also we try to find the best buy trade as always. Here we see the double bottom pattern. That's why we should open a short position right away. I think the scanning dynamics should keep that going according to the ADX. The trend dynamics is in the middle around 55 zone, 25, I'm sorry. We see it's a reversal. Also see the double bottom pattern. Here is the first touching of the support zone. Here the second one, and we can see the downward dynamics, this little correction. Yeah, and after this zone we're likely to see them pull back to the upside, considering the double bottom pattern, and I think the position will be in profits, guys. And we already see a good breakout, and there are several seconds left before the closing. Yeah, another position is in profits, guys. We got more than $2,500 on our balance. Here I guess we should open a long position, select the workspace. Now we see low volatility, and let's take a look at the ADX first. Trend dynamics is in the middle. Here the touching the support zone did happen. You see this double bottom, the price started its correction to the upside, and according to the dynamics, this local high is in the higher level, and that's why we opened the long position here, guys. Also we see small pullbacks here, the ancients our signal, and I think it was the right move. So the breakout is already happening. There are several seconds left before the closing, and our position is in profits again, guys. Look at this. Yeah, we got more than $4,000 on our balance, and we need to find a better payout rate for our trades to be the most profitable. And so here I don't see trade entry so far. Let's see what do we got here, and theoretically the price should go lower, and let's open a short position, guys. Look, the principle of trade entry is a little bit different here. The ADX start facing upwards. If we look at the moving average, it tells us that the downtrend is gonna enhance. Our support zone is here, and the price should go toward this level. The movement has low volatility, and that's why we don't see good corrections, and that's why in this case we should open a short. Also, the update of local high did happen, and I think the short position here is the only option. So let's see. Yes, as you can see, the breakdown is happening. A new local low seems to be forming, and all positions are in profits, guys. 20 minutes and we have plus $7,800 on my balance, and of course I'm happy with this outcome. Oh my gosh, it's good money, and just you have to know where to stop. Believe me in my experience, guys. Let's move to withdrawal and withdraw all our profits, guys. Put down this amount, press the continue button, and our transaction is processing, guys. I will attach your screen when it's done, guys. And I want to say thank you, happy new year, guys, and merry Christmas. Don't forget subscribe on my Telegram channel, on my YouTube channel, like on this video. All links you can find in the description. Okay, guys, thank you and bye bye.